All right, so here's the image. So yeah, this is basically turning innocent people into targets, right? Targeted individuals here. And that's just not targeted by officials and things like this. This is by everyday random jealous people. This is by your friends and your family members may have been watching you. They will be too embarrassed to admit it. Some of these people may, you know, because of the type of work that they do, may have added up a lot of assets. This can make you a target for somebody that wants to strip you of everything that you have and then eliminate you from this soil or this earth. That want to keep people in bondage. Because somebody like me, when it comes to my gifts, I can't even explain them all. And so it's like, I know when somebody's watching me, and that alone can be draining to me, because I know whoever it is that's hovering and watching, right? In that hawk type of mentality, or a vulturous type of mentality. It's almost like they're waiting for somebody to die, but you're going to be waiting forever, motherfucker, because it ain't happening. That's the gag. You get real when you see real shit around you, like real things that make you question, what in the hell is this? I think people playing sick games with people's lives. They might know who are the ones that don't die but multiply. We might be baby's kids, you know what I'm saying? Some kind of spawn energy here. I'm telling you, sick, twisted games. It's also giving me Westworld energy here. But you see how these females looking? They, like, it's almost like somebody's coming. Like, she's the girl in the middle, like, looking at this person. Or she looking at you or me. Hell. And look how she holding the cup like, ugh. And then this one like, come on. And she like, yeah, this, you know. And the girl like, come on, drink up. Just forget it. I mean, don't worry about her. But it's not funny, because the sick thing is, I wonder if this masculine know by being okay, or maybe the masculines don't know that this is going on. You see what I'm saying? Or feminine or whatever, okay? Not knowing that what's done to you is done to them. What's harming you is, because regardless of how somebody try to run and run and run, Forrest, run. These people have to come back and become one. So that's why I had to kind of reiterate and go specifically what I'm talking about when I'm talking about the soulmate or anybody. Because it's not about them. I'm reading your energy. I'm reading even the energy around you. Of those who came before you. I'm reading the energy also of people that have attached themselves to you as well. And the things that they're doing. Because of the situation. Because of the union between me and these people. That would like it to be some kind of competition. But since there is no competition. Right? Really? Their only thing is to ridicule or to crucify or, right? Or even be those crabs in the bottom of the barrel trying to pull you back down there in there with them. But again, this immortal energy is not just a physical thing. This is something where these people have no right. They have no jurisdiction over people like me. They have no right to do what they're doing. They have no right. So this way they can be sued, or they can be. Once you identify who it is, what it is, and how it's being done, you can go after these people. And I'm saying, who allowed them to have access to this information, to have access to you? Who are the people that allowed them to do that? And those are the people that you should be going after. Don't even pay attention to the person that did it. Hold on one second. Or the people that's doing it. Like, you pay attention to them to pick up details and see things that they're speaking on. You know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, you're going to have to go over their head. Hold on one second.